How to add friends in Line app. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to easily add friends on the Line app, whether you're new to Line or just want to connect with more people. I've got you covered, so let's get started. First things first, open the Line app on your mobile device and make sure you're logged into your account. Now, what you need to do is simply tap on the plus icon beside the settings icon at the top right corner. Now, here you can add friends via three ways. If you have a QR code of your friend, simply click on QR code and simply scan the QR code of your friend's QR ID. You can also use the search icon to search your friend's ID or phone number and simply add them through it. Now, if they don't have a Line app yet, you can simply invite them by clicking on the invite button at the top, and you can invite them via text message, email, WhatsApp, or Facebook. And that's it. That's how you can simply add your friends on Line app.